Good afternoon, guys. The time now is maybe 4:30. It's about to get dark. The sun is setting down there. Yeah, I am just going to the grocery to get some rice and something else. I don't know. It's cold, mate. Oh yeah. I am still day of today. And yeah, I didn't do anything. I was just at home. Yeah, we're going to leave the bike there. It's safe there, mate. Yeah, we're inside the Walmart. We're going to buy beer. No, I don't drink beer. Yeah, I will try to show you how to use the Apple Pay. Very easy. I want to put here the rice first. The rice. Yeah, because it's I have this.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Just got a key to the panel. There you go. Now the cost is ready for you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, that is how easy to use the Apple Pay. You don't need to carry your card or your wallet. All you need to have is your mobile phone. And look, this is how I got. Some of this I put in my backpack. And we're going to ride a bike now. Yeah, it's already dark outside. When I get in, it was still bright. Look at how it is now. It's 3 weeks before I can have this kind of birds and mustache. Yeah, I had this before when I was traveling in Southeast Asia, and this time again. But I don't like this. I'm not comfortable having this. I'll shave it. So I'm thinking if I keep this or no. Yeah, I think that's it. Good morning, guys. It is now 5. Yeah, 5:07, and I am now preparing to go to work. I am thinking, should I shave this or keep this? Hello guys, good afternoon. How are you today? Oops. And me, I'm good. I just finished my duty. Yeah, it was good. Oops, look, there's water here. Oh oh yeah, I got wet. Yeah. Yeah, I just finished my duty. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And this is how it is now. Nice weather today, all blue sky, blue sea. Yeah, I shaved my beard and mustache yesterday, and this morning the birds. Yeah, back to normal. This is my first day at work. It was good. People are welcoming. How are you? How was your holiday? Yeah, they are asking me like that, and I said I'm good, all good. Yeah, nice. They gave me the share of my tip. I mean my share of the tips. Let's count how much is this. Yo, yeah, this one. Yeah, they put here. Let's count how much. It's like 20, 30. $32, right? $32, it's okay. I think the other guys, they get maybe 80, 70. I don't know. You know, I've seen in flatmates.com, domain.com, gumtree.com.au, and you know, one of the apartment here is for rent, $300 per week, included everything. Good afternoon. Yeah, included everything, electricity, and two bedroom and one bathroom. Yeah, if you are a businessman, you're going to take that and rent out the other room. Yeah, it's nice, but I don't know, I'm not sure. Look at those birds, they are showering. They like it there in the water. Nice. Good afternoon, guys. How are you today? Yeah, I just finished my duty. Yeah, not busy, mate. Actually busy. Compared to last year, this time is still busy. Yeah, I don't know, maybe because the people are watching my video and they learn that I'm here in Nelson Bay, so they come to Nelson Bay. That's why it gets busy. I'm joking.